In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to loop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC and make the second clip slower in less than 2 minutes. The first step is to locate the part where you want to loop the video and locate the part where you want to slow the video. In this case, I've added the part with a marker, and you click M and it creates a marker. Go to the beginning of the video and click I to add an in point and the end point and click O. And then under the plus icon, or the button editor, if you don't have it, go to the second row and click and drag loop playback. And then click OK. And then click the icon and it turns blue. So now this is what the video looks like. So that's how you loop the video, but if you want to make the second clip slower, then go to the end of the video. Go to the second part, uncheck loop playback so it won't loop the playback. Click the video, right click, and click speed and duration. And you can make this 50 and click maintain the audio pitch, time interpretation, click optical flow. And this is what you have. If you want to loop that part, then create a cut, delete, create an O, and then now you can click loop playback. And this is what this looks like. If you want to make the second part of the video slower as well, then you can hold and click Alt, hold the video and drag to the right, and it duplicates the part where it's slow, and you can click R, or adjust the speed, and make this 20. Zoom out. Check the loop playback, and now we have something like this. This was what it sounded like if the audio is the same. Uncheck maintain audio pitch for both clips. This is what it sounds like. That sounds a little bit more better. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, drop this video a like, and check out the playlist for more free online video editing tutorials in Adobe Premiere Pro.